Christmas time is the best time for power tool deals. I'm down in the situation room today at my workstation operating the Cray computer, and I'm getting a lot of emails with flyers for Christmas ads. One of my favorite places to shop is the Home Depot because they give a 10% military discount. There's a number of other places like Menards and Lowe's and local hardware stores that also do a great job, but historically Home Depot has given a 10% military discount, so I'm fairly loyal to them. I shop at the other stores, but anyway, that's my shameless plug for Home Depot. They don't sponsor me in any way whatsoever, but I see an email from them, and here it is on the screen. If we go down just a little bit, look at this. So here's all the power tools, and these are usually in the front of the store. So if you go to the store, have a list in mind of what you're looking for, but it's easy to shop online so that you can compare these power tool kits. So I'm interested in rigid, that's what I've been buying. So I want to make sure I buy a similar type of a power tool because it uses the same battery. And look at this, here's a bunch of the kits, and if you look at these kits, you can't really beat this. $3.99 plus 2 free select power tools. So you're getting this kit for $3.99, which may or may not be a great deal, but you get to select 2 free power tools. And you say to yourself, okay, that may not be such a great deal, but I'm interested in this high torque impact wrench with a 4 amp hour battery, and I've been using pneumatic tools out in the shop for this heavier stuff. I use an impact wrench for my 3/8 drive, but I don't really have an electric impact in the 1/2 inch drive or larger. I just use my pneumatic tools, so I've been kind of wanting one of these for a while. So this looks like a pretty good deal for $2.99, but maybe not the greatest deal. And look at this, that's the latest impact with a charger and a battery, and I said $2.99, it's $2.69. But then look at this section over here, plus a free power tool, and there's 10 items on this list. Let's look at the list. Oh wow, look at this. So you're getting a $100 tool or a $139 battery. That's kind of expensive for that battery, but that's probably just a list price for all this stuff. But still, $100 to a $189 tool that you can select. This cordless grease gun would be nice, or another angle grinder would be very nice. I wouldn't mind having another angle grinder. So I see a electric impact in my future, but now is the time when the Christmas sales are starting for you to shop for these kits. You go to the front of the store and they have a tremendous amount of great buys, and Home Depot here is saying up to 45% off on some of these kits. That's a great deal. So now is the time, just before Christmas, to go in and shop at the front of the store. Whether you like to buy at Lowe's, Menards, Home Depot, Ace Hardware, whatever your hardware store is that's local to you, they all do this. They all have it in the front of the store, but they also have these tools online. I recommend, if you're in the market for a tool, you have an idea what you're looking for, prioritize, and if there's other tools that you'd like to have but you don't necessarily need, now is the time to buy them in these kits. So go forth and have a great Christmas, have a great buying experience, and that's my tip to you. At Stiles Automotive, I do general automotive work, modifications, and tips. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, watching my other videos, and give me a comment if you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to your comments.